Hey Peter, Sean from Scranton Motors. Just wanted to show you this 2015 Escalade ESV you and I have been talking about. I wanted to show you that it is still available. Black Raven on the outside, and then of course we have the 22-inch wheels right there. Work our way this way. You'll see captain's chairs. In the second row, you also have the Blu-ray DVD player right there. This one also is equipped with a second screen. Beautiful thing. Work our way this way. We're going to go to the back. You'll notice, because this is an ESV, we do have some space. We can move the third row up from the tailgate to the third row seating, so you don't have to sacrifice passenger room in order to utilize behind the third row. You'll also have power folding seats. So if I look right over here, you see these two buttons. These will actually fold down these seats right here. They are split. So for instance, if I push down on this one, you're going to see that seat go right down, no problem. You can also bring it up too by power. So if I push up on this, here it comes back up. Nice and easy. I'm going to shut this. This has the power lift gate, of course, as expected. And you will see the back end of the vehicle. Gotta love the design of this vehicle, especially with LED tail lights that strip all the way down to the bumper. Beautiful. Working our way over here, you're going to see this one is equipped with assist steps, and they are power folding. So they come right out, right there as soon as we open up the door. This one is equipped with the beautiful Kona brown interior. This one has what appears to be real wood, and the reason why it appears to be because it actually is real wood. Nice contrast with the black accents on the dash and on the top of the doors. Really bring out this beautiful interior. If I work our way back in here, you'll see we have a reconfigurable digital dash. There's a couple different modes that we can put it in. You will see right here, if I stretch it back, Cadillac Shield emblem, looking nice. And then on top of that, it does use that real wood on the inside of the steering wheel. Gives it that nice touch that you would expect out of a Cadillac. If we work our way over here, you will see Q with the navigation system, of course. You will see also you have heated seats here, dual mode heated seats, one just for the back, one for the back and the bottom, and then of course air conditioned seats. Push button push button start and stop, and then it also has remote starter as well. You have obviously the wood just keeps going in this, cup holders here, storage here, wireless charge in there, and then you have your sunroof here. Last thing that I want to show you on this one is if I put it in reverse, you will see not only does the backup camera come on, but it also has a what we call a 360 camera. So what you'll notice is this little icon right here will show the vehicle, and it gives us an aerial view of the vehicle and just displays anything that's around us. So you can, I mean, there is no reason for us to ever be able to not park a vehicle in a parking spot correctly. So that's a very nice option. So we've been talking, Peter, for the last couple weeks. Want to introduce myself, put a name face to the name, excuse me. Please call me at 860-872-9145 extension 123, or just email me like we've been going back and forth at swoodward@scrantonmotors.com. I look forward to earning your business.